up this PA system in this weather. We're just very grateful to them. And as we indicated, this is an illuminated parade. We've never had one of these in Karnes City that I've ever heard of. And our very first entry is the Karnes City Boy Scout Troop 115 in 1952 and the Karnes City Cub Scout Pack 115. They're carrying flags and starting off our first annual Karnes City Founders Day Illuminated Night Parade. We're celebrating 125 years of Karnes City being an organized city in Karnes County. Once again, thanks to the Karnes City Boy Scout Troop 115 in 1952 and the Karnes City Cub Scout Pack 115. Thank them for being here and thank them for carrying our flags and starting off our first annual Founders Day Illuminated Night Parade. Thank all of you for being here tonight. This year, Dr. Janice Kimball and Sean O'Brien are carrying out our special honorees today. Thank you, Dr. Joyce Kimball and Mr. Bernard Arns. Bernard Arns being our oldest surviving mayor, and Joyce Kimball, the matriarch of a family of chiropractors, and also the breeder of champion Longhorns, the most famous one being Wow. We'll very soon have a museum for Wow right at the corner of Bond and Calvert. Thank you all for being here. Republican State Representative John Cyrier finished his first legislative session in Founders Day. Thank you, Renee Pena, for supporting us and sharing our great event with us. Thank you for being here, Renee. Renee presented our Karnes County officials are here to support Founders Day. We have Daisy Villanueva, Justice of the Peace Precinct 3, Denise Rodriguez, Karnes County District Clerk, David Sotelo, Justice of the Peace Precinct 4, Susanna Coliba, Justice of the Peace Precinct 1, and thank you all for being a part of this parade. Operator for bringing those pretty GMC trucks here today. That looks like Gabe Rodriguez in that Z71 truck. And there's her daughter Taylor driving that white GMC Acadia. Thank you, office. Celebrate tonight. Let's give them a big round of applause and a great big thank you for all they do here in our community. Way to go, Sheriff Dwayne Villanueva and your team at the Karnes County Sheriff's Office. We appreciate you for all y'all do. Thank you. They have more lights than they normally have when they pull you over. They do. In Christmas fashion with that Santa Claus hat on. I like that. Clark, Brianna Frankie, Jennifer Gonzalez, Emily Gothard, Amber Green, Joanne Gutierrez, Courtney Hodges, Jessica Homar, Melissa Solis Johns, Leah Jordan, Kathy Kopetsky, Donna Bell. What a float from the Karnes County National Bank. They're here with us to celebrate on that beautifully illuminated float. Welcome to our parade and thank you for joining us. Karnes County National Bank, thank you for helping City Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors. Thank you, Cerna family and friends. Appreciate you being here tonight. Next we have Otto Kaiser Memorial Hospital. They're here tonight. We're proud of all the hospital is doing by building us a new hospital, and of course go and sign up, you and your family, so you can enjoy the new facility and all that it has to offer. Thank you, Otto Kaiser Memorial Hospital. With all the blinking lights. Is this the Karnes City Lions Club? Yeah, Lions Club is Ruben Castro, and he's here with his board members, Catherine Gonzalez, Vice President, Nancy Allison, tonight. Karnes City Little League, thank you for being here. The path tonight. They recently had a very successful March for Life last Saturday, and they're preparing for the county-wide Relay for Life coming up in the spring. Please join the Karnes County Relay for Life in raising money for a very important cause. Thank you, Relay for Life, and your representatives and volunteers. You all do a great job. Thank you very much. And John Deere are here to say happy holidays to everyone here at the Christmas parade. Look at that beautiful John Deere tractor all lit up. Texas All-Star Baton Twirling Academy is here with an All-Star Christmas. They have their... I think all of our marchers are in the truck, but thank them. This is courtesy of Charlotte Cutzer. Miss Bluebonnet Days Queen and Court are here tonight, all the way from Kennedy, the Orange Road, capital of Texas. They are thrilled to announce their court, Miss Bluebonnet Days. Carrie Schmidt, first runner-up. See, and now it is fabulous at our night parade. Since 1937, the Stockdale Watermelon Jubilee has been a refreshing slice of summertime fun. Their festival, Aka and Little Miss Stockdale, Karen Lambic. Rodeo royalty includes Miss Rodeo Stockdale, Sydney Dockery, and Little Free Family Fun-raising festival with something that is fun for everyone. Please welcome their Yorktown Royalty Court. Now they're followed by the Yorktown High School Roaring Wildcat Band. Let me tell you about the Yorktown Royalty. Little Miss Yorktown runner-up, Cadence Lamprick. Little Miss Yorktown, Caitlin Rader. Young Miss Yorktown, Ashley Guida. Young Miss Yorktown runner-up, Sydney Kruger. Junior Miss Yorktown, Katie Hughes. Junior Miss Yorktown runner-up, Lacey Rios. Miss Yorktown runner-up, Robin Band. They're here tonight all the way from Yorktown. Very glad they came. Thank them for being here. Coastal Bend College from Beeville, Texas is here representing our regional community college. We're happy that the Cougars are represented and here to help us celebrate our first ever lighted night parade. Thank you, Coastal Bend College, for being here and for being at a great place for our local folks to attend and learn through your excellent programs. They have two fire trucks here tonight, Engine 1 and Engine 602. Thank you, Kennedy Fire Department. Thanks to all of our fire departments. They do a lot of things, and Rachel salutes. We're happy to see you here with us, and thank you for being a part of our Founders Day celebration. Is that a snowman? We had snow at the city park today, and now we have one on the back of a pickup truck. The J.C. Katie Farm from Stockdale, Texas is here with their beautiful llamas. Thank you, Carol Rutledge and family and friends, for sharing with us tonight. And entry number 34 is Karnes Electric Cooperative. Their lighted Christmas year after year and always being a part of our community. We appreciate you and all of your employees. And appropriately dressed, I see. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus on their Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Lots of toys and goodies on their way to deliver to all the good boys and good girls of Karnes County. It says here to go to leadership, KarnesCounty.com. Good to see you. Next we have the City of Karnes City, the Banner Carriers. We have Judge Glenda Martinez and Nessa Dragaitis. And do we have the Karnes City Color Guard? City of Karnes City Color Guard, Police Chief Eddie Salas, Fire Chief Charlie Malik, and Director of Public Works Fernando Rios. Thank you for being here. They are illuminated as well. Him is Jimmy Roya Sr., Council Member Leanne Lissy, Council Member Raymond Robinson, Council Member Sherry Summer, and Council Member Kimberly Wright. Good to see all of you. Thank you for being here. You may have seen these guys in your rear view mirror before. This is the Karnes City Police Department. It is driven by Domingo Alanis, engine number 7. Department, not only for setting up this PA system, but for all you do. The Karnes City Volunteer Fire Department is like many of them, but they really shine. They really go out. Not only but they make a lot of noise as well. Karnes City Public Works. We have the white pickup, the yellow Rodriguez and family, the skid steer loader, the Lopez, Joyce Elias, and the yellow motor grader, Frank Rodriguez, in the white truck with his family. And our yellow motor grade operator, Frank Vera. Third runner-up, Amanda Chesser. Fourth runner-up, Isabel Walter. The Karnes City float driver is Gus Hernandez, and riding shotgun is Scott Barrientos. That's a new float for the city of Karnes City. Organized Founders Day, the parade, the entire event. It took months and months of organization. Thanks to Don Timmer, thanks to Ray Cole. Appreciate it. They're not always bringing up the rear, but they are bringing at the park, at the city park. Thank you, Ray and Don, and thank everyone for coming out. Let's give everyone a round of applause. This was a very, very unique thing for us to experience for the first time, a nighttime illuminated parade celebrating Founders Day. Thank everyone that helped organize it. Thank the fire department for this wonderful PA.